thought I'd bring you into my kitchen again, but this time we're gonna make some banana bread. Woo! So I used the recipe that I posted on our communication page to go with our Little Red Hen story. In the Little Red Hen story, she made some regular bread out of the flour that she made out of the wheat that she planted, remember? So today we're gonna make some banana bread because I have some pretty ripe bananas here. They have some brown spots on them already, so they're perfect for making banana bread. So I thought we could make banana bread together. Are you ready, friends? Let's do it. Woo! Okay, so what we'll need is some flour, sugar, milk, eggs, a muffin pan, bananas, a bowl, vanilla, some measuring cups, a spatula, and some chocolate chips if you want. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna mix our stick of butter with 1 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm gonna use my Harry Potter spatula to help with this. Get my sugar. 1 1/4. Okay, I'm just gonna mix that up. Perfect. Now we need to mash up our bananas. Okay, so this is the part that my friends can definitely help with. So we're gonna take our bananas. And we're gonna mash them with a fork. So I got 1. We need 3 bananas for this recipe. So I have 1, 2, and 3 bananas. So I'm gonna mash. Okay, so I got my mashed bananas right here. I'm gonna add them to our bowl. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna mix that up. Okay, now I need to add 2 eggs. And look how many eggs I have left. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. I used 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So how many do I have left? 2 eggs, just enough for this recipe. So I like to crack my eggs into a little bowl or measuring cup so that I can make sure I don't get any shells in there. Ready, friends? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Say crack. Whoa. That was a good one. And no shells. I'm just going to add it in there. I'm going to do the other one. Say 1, 2, 3, crack. Yeah. And no shells again. There we go. And we're going to mix those in there. Don't forget the milk. The recipe calls for buttermilk, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use regular whole milk. Okay, now we need some dry ingredients. So we're going to do flour. We need 2 1/2 cups of flour. So we're going to do 1 and 2. Oh, and I forgot my half. 2 1/2 cups. 2 1/2. Perfect. Okay, then we need some baking soda. I forgot this at the beginning, but we definitely need this to help our bread rise up. There we go. And maybe just a pinch a little pinch of salt. Mix that up. Okay, now the fun part. We're gonna add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Now, doesn't that look good? It smells so banana-y. Now I'm gonna add some chocolate chips to mine, but I'm going to shake them up in a little bit of flour so that they don't go to the bottom of my batter. Chocolate chips. If you had mini chocolate chips, that would be so good. Think the Little Red Hen would like chocolate chips? Okay, that looks pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and add it to our muffin pan. You could also use a loaf pan if you had that, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna use muffins. We got this many filled up to go in the oven. Can you friends help me count how many muffins this is gonna make? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 muffins. I have some more batter, so I'm gonna have to make a second batch of this. They want some muffins too, I guess. Do you want muffins? You do? Okay, well, we're gonna put them in the oven. Now make sure you always have an adult's help when you're using ovens, friends. So I already preheated it to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna so carefully put them right in my oven. There they go. They see ya in 30 minutes. Muffins. Okay, friends, so here's our first batch of muffins. Ooh, look how delicious they are. Ooh, they look so good. Oh, I wish you could smell them. So yummy. Let's take a look inside of one. Oh, look at that chocolate chip. So yummy. Guys, I hope you had a great time making banana muffins with me today. And I hope you get a chance to maybe bake something like this recipe at home with your family. And I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.